Hi everyone and welcome. So I'm going to share with you a Leonardo AW109 Trekker. I spotted this 3 times, once in April, once in May and once in June. So enjoy everyone.
Sorry guys, not the best capture, it's really high up. Oh, sorry guys. I wasn't expecting him to be quite so low. There he is, he's a lot higher today.
So thank you very much for watching to the end. If you have done, I really appreciate it. Please remember to check out the playlist, and if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. There's going to be lots more content coming. Thank you and goodbye.